Electronic Design is a Minneapolis-based audio and visual system integrator whose mission is to be our client's best and most complete resource for critical audio and visual systems. When it comes to conference room AV, we don't take a one-size-fits-all approach. Our experienced sales, engineers, technicians, and staff will help you identify and select the right solution that brings your vision to life. We'll take care of the rest with holistic integration, execution, and support during your project, no matter the complexity, your needs, or size of your space. Our experts have designed and installed hundreds of conference room AV systems. Once the installation is complete, we have your back with support and on-site service you can rely on. Collaborate more efficiently and effectively with innovative, easy-to-use technology that fosters effective communications. Work with EDC to find the right solution for your business.